Hello dear students, as we are all busy with online classes, in our new platform Learningo, all the recorded live sessions will be stored in Zoom Cloud, and from today onwards, these recorded live sessions are available for you for watching, for reviewing. So now I am going to show you how to access these videos. For this, either you can use your Learningo app or you can log in through Sri Vasavi LMS. In your web browser, I am going to show you how to log in and watch these recorded live sessions through Vasavi LMS platform, that is through browser. In the Chrome browser or any other browser, type in srivasaviengg.digiversity.com. The window opens like this. Click on login. Since I want to show what is the interface for the students, I am going to log in through one of the students ID. So I have taken one from the student and I am logging in through his identity. Right. So it will open like this. Here the courses that you are going to study in this semester, they will appear. So if you click on courses on the left hand side, you can see the first one, recordings of live sessions engineering. You can access the recordings from this side button, that is my courses, or you can do the same by clicking the all courses also. When you click on all courses, the first one that appears here is normally the recordings of live sessions engineering. So I am going to click that one. The recording live sessions window will appear. So this is the basic structure. Here in these recorded live sessions, I had made available all the 11 courses that are offered for the second semester first year students. English is there, engineering mathematics, similarly engineering chemistry, programming in C, optoelectronics and semiconductors, engineering mechanics, optics and waves, everything is there. From here onwards, you can access the live courses. Already a few courses were uploaded by the engineering mathematics faculty. Similarly, I had uploaded one video. So in order to access the recorded live session, move on to the topic which you want to watch. Click on that. A new window will appear. Right. Here you have to enter the password. Without password, you cannot access the recording. That is the reason why before clicking it, below this recorded live session link, you can see the password. Copy the password and then click the recorded live session. Now the Zoom window appears. In the password place, copy paste the password and click access recording. The recorded live session will appear here. Click on this and you can watch all the live sessions that were uploaded into our Sri Vasavi LMS. It's very simple, right? I'm moving back. Click on my courses on the left hand side, recordings of live sessions. Click on the recordings of live sessions, you will see all your courses. Move on to your course. Click any of the links that are available for you. Right? This is how you can watch the recorded live sessions. Thank you.